Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, unable to launch game, please try reinstalling the game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your GTA 5. So this method will work on both the enhanced and the legacy versions of the game. So first off, you're going to go on to your GTA 5's directory. And then you're going to find this file called args.txt. So you're just going to go ahead and delete this file. And once you're done deleting it, now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.